Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to enable notifications for moments on Twitter when using your PC. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open Twitter on your PC. Once you're logged in, locate your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it, then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the left-hand column and click on the Web Notifications option to access your notification settings. Within the Notification Types menu, find and select Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences according to your preferences. Next, click on Push Notifications to manage your push notification settings effectively. Under the From X section, make sure to check the box next to Moments to enable notifications for moments on Twitter. To save your changes and apply the new settings, click on the Save Changes button located at the bottom of the page. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled notifications for moments on Twitter using your PC. Stay updated and engaged with the latest moments on your Twitter feed. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more informative content. Keep an eye out for additional tutorials on optimizing your social media experience. See you next time.